who's excited? I'm excited. Sorry, I know. I'm excited. This is crazy. Hey everyone, so I'm in my sweats. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna tackle this closet behind me. So today I'm gonna show you how to organize your home office closet. So here we go. I'm super excited and I can't wait to show you this closet. Well, I'm embarrassed to show you this closet actually, the before. But I'm super pumped and I can't wait to get this done because the after is gonna look spectacular. And I'm gonna try to give you guys some tips along the way. So please hang on, please subscribe. Thank you for following us and click on the notification bell. Click on the like so we're in the algorithms and everyone gets notified of this video. Do you get frustrated when you go into one of your closets and it's just a big mess? You can't find anything, or when you do find it and you try to take it out, everything topples and falls on top of you? Well, this is what this closet is doing to me. It's driving me crazy. I need to get this organized. So here we go. Here's a tip when you do organize and you take everything out of your closet. Have some bins, such as a hamper or any box. You can use shoes boxes or piles, and when you take everything out, organize it as you're taking out, so it saves you time in the long run for when you do need to organize it, when you got to put stuff back in there, because I'm pretty sure not everything's going back in here. So organize as you go along. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to take everything out and we're going to come back and I'm going to show you what I've done, and hopefully some of the things that I've done could help you out and help you with organizing your closet. So here we go. Miscellaneous book. Well, I'll have to put it in one pile. Crossword puzzles. Interesting. Look at these papers hanging out from here. Oh my goodness, I don't know how we had this for years. Over time, what happens is everyone just sticks stuff in here. Well, no more. This is going to stay organized, because as we take things out, they need to go back in the spot it came from, and that's how you keep stuff organized, because it's so easy for it to get out of hand all over again. And everybody needs to follow the rules. It's just that simple. Oh my goodness, I need to color all these grays. Maybe that's the next video. Quarantine hairstyles. Oh, so I emptied out this huge closet. There was a lot of stuff in here. I have sections on the floor and bins, and I went through everything and I trashed a lot of stuff. There was a lot of paperwork that we've had in here for like 10-20 years. Unbelievable. But anyway, that's gone. So I'm going to use this for my filing system for now. I have some paperwork for clients and I'm going to place them in here. I have this box right here I decided to use for my magazines. Okay, so I can't wait to show you the result. It looks amazing, and I'm going to edit as I go along, because right now I have stuff that I used that we had in our house, but it looks awesome and everything is labeled. You can see where everything is. Nothing's going to fall on top of you as you pull something out. And here we are, the big reveal. So here's my photography closet, where it has all my photography equipment and all my business books and client files. So again, everything's neatly organized. There's cameras, that's where I'll keep my camera. All my CD, DVD archive, that's my suitcase there. Some more camera equipment in this box. Keep my manuals in this box. I'm loving my new label maker. Here's all my paperwork. There I have my color books, my clamps, my reflectors, and my tripods that are on top there. So I just also want to mention, try to use as much as the vertical space as you can, as I did here, because you really get to utilize every aspect of space. Nicely organized. I know where everything is. It's labeled. Very important to label, because you can throw a bunch of stuff in a box, but over the years you're going to forget what's in there, and you're just going to have to pull everything out and figure it out and open up boxes. Let me show you this other side as well. So the final result, and everything's now labeled because I just got my label maker in between making this video, so I labeled everything and it looks beautifully done. So here's the paper, the craft paper up on top with some books. All this closet has office supplies and crafts. So again, here's nicely labeled. There's all the craft tools. That's where you keep all the glue and any types of glue. And again, some nice boxes there, which are labeled with chalk, which you can see what's inside. And here's some more pretty boxes, again nicely labeled. Now that's where my new label maker goes. So now there's no fussing. It says batteries. I open it up and there's my batteries. And down here, as it says in the label, is all the paper and brand new notebooks. Whenever you start a new project, you know where they are. You can just come and grab one. And here's office supplies. So let's open this up. This one has a tray also to keep everything neatly organized and tucked in its place. There's staples, there's pens, paper clips, any type of office supplies. There's a calculator here. And here's envelopes. So as we did with the envelopes, we used a shoebox inside and we put all the envelopes in there so it keeps everything contained, nicely neat and organized. Oops, what's that glue stick there? It has to go up where the glue is. So I'm going to go in and edit as I go along further, and I might buy a few more pieces to add in there to make it look a little bit nicer, because I just used what I had so far. But it looks great. I really like how it turned out. And now there's no fussing and no thinking about where everything is, because it's nicely labeled, it's nicely put in boxes and organized. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show this product that I bought. It's amazing. It's called Goo Gone, and it really takes away out sticky adhesives off anything. So my husband's idea of labeling, I'm gonna get rid of this because it's not very nice. And now that I put the new labels on, as you can see with the label maker, it's much better. So the way I'm gonna take it out is I'm gonna wet it just to get it all wet so it gets moist, and then we can remove the label. But as you can see that the adhesive is still there, I'm unable to take that out. So I'm gonna use this new product that I was talking about, Goo Gone. I'm gonna spray it on. Okay, so let's try taking this off now. As you can see now, the glue is coming right off. This is a really great product. That label was really hard to take off, and there was no way it was coming off. It's like it was never even there. Thank you for watching. My name is Maria. I enjoy doing these videos for you. I'm glad you're here watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell, and also like the video. And we have new videos coming out every week, so hopefully they're helpful for you right now to give you some tips for around the home. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Ciao.